say excuse me? Say excuse me. Why are you not saying excuse me? Because I'm stupid. How dare you say yourself stupid? Whoa, what's going on here?
I haven't. I'm gonna delete this video, and the video's gonna end in 5, 4,